Hello guys, today I've got the EDIFIER W280NB Pro and I'm going to show you how to change the volume level in your headphones. So, as you can see, to change the volume level, you need to at first click either of this or this button. If you click this one with this minus sign, you can see that volume decreases. You can click once. I don't know why I have some delay, some sort of delay, but it should work. As you can see, plus I'm increasing the volume and minus decreasing. As you can see, now it works. I clicked it 2 times and now we've got it working. You can just click. That's how it works. Goodbye.